Going?
Yep.
All right. Hey, welcome to the Tuesday Newsday, and it's me, BJ, along with Hannah.
Hello.
Behind the camera, and I wrote a little jingle for this thing because I thought, this is a big deal, Hannah. So, it's a Tuesday Newsday. It's a really good news day. It's a Tuesday Newsday at Missouri Star. Boom,
Yeah.
boom, boom. It ought to be quack, quack, quack. Anyway,
Oh,
we'll
yeah.
record that professionally later. Anyway, welcome. Hey, we are in the main shop, and I tell you, this is a cool building because this was our first big shop from when we originally started.
Yeah.
We moved over here and moved into this facility, this building, and then of course it's been redone again and
Oh, yeah.
so much.
It's
right?
changed so much. I remember like pulling tiles up off the floor and like I remember in the very first building like punching through walls. I think there was at one point.
Yeah, well, it was an old antique store before we came in here the first time, and actually we've got one of the gals that worked in the antique store is still here. She's working for us. Deb's back there. Give us
Oh,
a
very
shout out
cool.
to Deb. Said, "Hey, Deb!" Yeah, look at the crew back there. That's so. Anyway, yeah, Deb was in the antique store, and we said, "Hey, why don't you just hang out with us?" And she said, "All right." So she's here. She's awesome. So anyway, we're in the main shop, and we want to talk about this right here. Come on in here and behold all this. This is Northcott's line of solids. Isn't it beautiful?
It's
And
gorgeous.
I tell you what, it's and it feels. I don't know. It feels great too, and it's really good for like apparel fabric.
Oh, yeah.
You know, it's like a high quality sheet. You know what I'm talking about? You know what? Does
Yeah.
that make sense?
No, it makes sense. I can understand where you're coming from.
But anyway, it's really it just feels great. And so if you haven't had any of the Northcott solid fabrics here, it's you need to check that out. Super awesome. I think there's like
41 colors, 241 colors, yeah, of yardage too. So that's
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah, it's really crazy. They've got a huge selection, and of course we've got that selection here. So make sure you check that out. Also, before I forget, gosh, it's almost the end of February, isn't it?
I know.
And so then we go into March, which is National Quilting Month.
Yes, it's so exciting.
Lots of stuff going on for that as well here in town. You can find a lot of the activities on our website for sure.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have so much fun this coming up month.
Yes, absolutely, we are. Ez, are you in or are you out? We got my grandson Ez over here. Huh? Ezra. And we're going to walk around the shop here a little bit. Oh, and we've also got, remind me of the tutorial that's coming up.
Yes, so this Friday we have an Amber Elliott tutorial coming out.
Elliot. You don't even remember who that is?
E.T.
E.T., all right.
I know who that is. Oh, I'm not that young.
Whatever. Elliot. All right, so Amber Elliott's going to be a tutorial. That's this Friday, right?
Yes.
All right, awesome. So let's walk around the shop, and actually, I want to start over here because I do want to talk about these embroideries. Look at all
Yes.
this embroidery stuff.
These just came out not too long ago. We actually just talked about them on Tuesday Newsday.
Mm-hmm.
So I did want to let you guys know that you can find these in the main shop if needed.
Isn't that cool? Very cool. Nice looking stuff. All right. Sorry, I got too close.
No, you're good.
Anyway, but yeah, and these kits are awesome. If you haven't had these, like I said, there's two different ones. There's Ingrid's Wildflowers, and then there's Garden Ferns here.
Yes.
And it comes with your hoop and all your stuff. And I think we've talked about these before, but it comes with your patterns.
Yes.
Yeah, everything's in here basically. Why don't you just say that, BJ? All right, great. And it's a really cool collectible tin.
It is. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
And so is Ingrid's. Ingrid's is also really nice.
Yeah, very nice. So in the main shop, we've got a lot of souvenirs and T-shirts and things like that for when people come to visit, and they can pick up all sorts of goodies. Shot glasses, huh? Those are a big seller.
Yeah.
So, here's a cool thing. Look at this sink strainer,
Oh, cool.
and it's got the
Oh,
Missouri
cute.
Star, huh?
I love the little hearts.
Yes, isn't that cool?
Yes.
So, very nice. So anyway, we've got everything. It's like everything but the kitchen sink. Well, we've got the sink strainer. So, all right, let's walk on through. But so how the store is set up when you guys come here, if you come to town, the first place you want to stop is this store because we've got a little bit of each shop in here. This is kind of like the hub, and then you spoke out from there, okay? So like the first one is Penny's Quilt Shop. So that's going to represent a little bit of what's in Penny's. The next one is Licensed to Sew, and that's going to be all the what it says licensed fabric, anything that has, superheroes or sports teams, things like that, right?
I just realized my purse is still sitting on the table. I forgot to move that, so you're welcome.
You're welcome. Help yourself to that. Also, and then we've got Mercantile, and it has all the beautiful fabrics that you find in Mercantile there, right? And a very beautiful
Yes.
stuff there. And we just come on down through the shops here. We'll kind of make a loop if that's all right, Hannah. Does that
Yeah.
work?
Yeah, that loop is great.
The loop, so seasonal. Again, so that's going to be, you know, a lot of Christmas. It's got a lot of fall and Halloween. So if you want to get Halloween fabric today, we've got it. We always have it, right? We always have Christmas.
Oh, yes,
fabric,
we do have Halloween.
Yeah. So it's really nice when you know you can have a selection of all the goodies year
Yeah.
round. And then over here we've got backings and trims. So that's obviously for what that is, for all your, you know, the backings on your quilts and anything else to go along with that. But again, these are just small samples of what you'll find in the whole store that's set up for these lines of fabric. So it's really cool.
Yeah, it is really nice because you can get a little sneak peek at everything.
Yeah, and this is a little sample of what you'll find in Machine Shed, which we sell, you know, sewing machines in there, as well as, you know, a lot of the accessories and our templates and all the things that go along with that. Got all the patterns. Come on around. All right. Lovely store, And,
It's very pretty in here.
I saw. Hey, did you see this over here, Hannah? This is really cool, and I noticed they've got your jacket on display
cool.
in here. So is that yours? All
No,
dazzled up?
that one's not mine.
Are you sure?
I wish.
Okay. All right. But anyway, it is nice, and then they've got these printable peel and stick.
Yes, the printables. The printables are so nice because you can do any design if you can find it and print it.
Yeah. Because it won't just go through like your
Printer.
Yeah. And this is international sign for printer.
Yep. 100%.
And it also comes with you get like some designs that come with. I think you get like, you know, some of the designs that are in there. 13 designs already included. So wanted you to see that.
Oh my gosh! Look at how cute this bag is. This.
Oh, this bag here.
Yeah,
Oh,
and this one. This is so cute.
Let's take a gander at this. Oh yeah. What goes on in here? What do you put in here?
That is a little embroidery kit, travel bag.
Look at that. It even comes with a
hoop.
A hoop. All right.
That's so cute. It's so pretty.
That is very cool. Yeah. That's really cool. I messed up someone's display. We've got someone who'll fix that, I'm sure. So anyway, so here we go. Santa's Sew Shop, which is of course one of our, you know, that we were in that not too long ago. We
Yeah.
were in there, but that gives you a little sample of all of the Christmas goodies that you can find in there as well. Batiks. Who doesn't love Batiks? Everybody loves Batiks?
I love Batiks.
Yeah, so you get your Batiks, and you know, people that aren't familiar with Batiks, let me show you here. You know, there's not a good or a bad side. You know, most fabric has a good and a bad side, right? Mm-hmm. Batiks, because of the way it's dyed, it goes. See, which side's the good side? Oh wait, no, I gotta get through it. But there is no good or bad side on Batiks, so that's the cool part. You can't mess up with that.
Yep.
And like I said, I'm sure Debbie. Okay, she'll fix that. Okay. Anyway, come on down here. What else did I miss? Did I miss anything?
I don't know. I don't think so.
All right.
You'll find it, BJ.
I made a mess over there, Debbie.
Oh, I'll fix
sorry.
it.
I thank you.
Kids and baby just look so happy.
It does look happy. All the baby stuff. This is a cool line.
Yeah.
Easy cotton. That's really cool, and it's soft. Ooh. Let's do a. There we go. Very nice. Yeah. So it's just so. Ooh, a lot of this is soft and cuddly, as it should be for a baby, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So very nice. Just has a nice feel to it. So very good. And then we go to the modern shop here, and I know. Did you go to QuiltCon? You didn't make it to QuiltCon.
I didn't make it to QuiltCon.
I think Misty and your mom.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my mama was there.
Yeah. This is cool.
Isn't it? I love the colors.
That's really cool. That'd make a nice piece of apparel. You'd make a skirt out of that, Hannah.
That would be fun.
That would be fun. All right. So that's cool. So that's a little bit. And again, we have all of these that we're talking about. This modern, we have a whole shop for that. So it's all filled with modern fabric, right? Florals, lots of goods. And of course, you know, florals, self-explanatory. It's got flowers with it, but lots of pretty stuff. And a huge selection in all the shops. Very cool, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
I love it. I love it. All right. And then it brings us, gosh, we've made the whole loop around here.
Yep.
And then we're here. Oh, hey. She's going to be here.
Oh, yes, she is.
When does it say? Oh, Thursday. This
Yep.
Thursday.
And I believe she's filming today too.
Is she?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Yeah, she'll be here Thursday from 11 to 1 in this shop. So
Be sure if you're able and you can.
yes. Jemima. Yep. Anyway, I probably pronounced that wrong, so apologize. Anyway, and this is the Block magazine, and it got a new dimensions. And I like it. They've gone to more of a traditional size.
Yes, more of a traditional magazine shape.
Yeah, but still with no ads in it. So
Yes.
That's our whole thing.
It's all the same quality.
Yeah.
It's still a wonderful book. Beautiful patterns.
Let's do the Jenny test.
Yeah.
As long as no cards fall out of it, it's good. And that you're not going to find any cards in here. You're not going to find any ads. We just changed it, and so it's just kind of more of a traditional layout. Which I like it. Looks good. And look who's on there. That's your mom.
That is my mom.
And my daughter, Misty.
And my
Check 'em out.
aunt.
And your aunt.
Yeah.
Very cool. That's a great picture of them up there.
I know. It was such a fun day. We had so much fun with the fake snow.
Right, because you normally that was probably shot in July or something. Whatever you guys did.
It was shot. I was there for this. It was, oh man, when was this? Wait, I'm finding it.
I'm guessing it was hot, right?
No, it was like a couple of months ago. I actually
really?
think there was I don't think we had gotten our first snowfall here in Missouri
okay.
yet.
A lot of times they'll shoot these out. It'll be like 6 months, out, and you're sitting in a coat like this, and it's 100 degrees. You're like, I'm done.
Oh, maybe they did. I can't remember anymore.
Anyway,
Because that's starting to sound right.
All right, what are they featuring up here? Because this is cool. Oh, the lovely lattice.
Oh, yes.
And then there's some embroidery work on here. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? That sure does lend itself just for that, right? I mean,
That's so beautiful.
You have all these spaces here that you can then come in and do your embroidery and stuff on, right?
Yeah.
Very cool.
And then there's a cute pillow.
Oh, look at that.
Look at the mushrooms. There's a ladybug on the mushroom. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That is adorable.
It is awesome.
I need one of those. And
Very
then
cool.
there's the darker one. So we have the white and blue, which is here, and we have the gray and white, which is on this chair right here. And they're both so pretty, and they're going to be amazing for embroidery.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
I can't get over that. That is so cute. The flowers coming out of the water cans. And here are the templates for the water cans.
Yeah, and that
Some
way you
felt
can add
squares.
your splash of colors with like your water cans and pick out what you want, and then your flowers. It's so cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't know what else we need to cover today on today's Good News Day. It's a good news day. Anyway.
Oh, yeah.
We don't need to sing that song again. But anyway, what else? Is there anything else, Hannah, that we've forgotten?
I don't know. We have some clothing here. You know,
do have some
I
clothing.
think that's about it.
Yeah. So anyway, we appreciate you guys. We sure hope to see you here. We've had, as the weather started to clear, boy, it was cold last week.
Oh
bitter
man,
cold.
it was freezing. It was the coldest. We were hitting record lows last week, and then we had a big snowfall, and then literally on Sunday and Monday today, it's been like in the 50s. Like it's been hitting 50.
Yes.
So all the snow is melting, and it's muddy.
And it's perfect, and we love it. And
Yeah.
So it's just Midwest, and we'll take all we can get of it. So we appreciate everybody coming to see us, and we hope you guys can come and see us. A day not too far away. We'd love to see you out here. So
Yes.
All right. Have a good day. We love you guys.
All
We'll
right.
see you.
Bye.
Bye.